least Catholic are try to raise a charismatic. Only when gift of prophecy or Jeba manifest there. It was a quite collaborate with ministries. You can join them. Yes. Yes. Go there. And I tell you, the passion is my brother. Now about brother, na church. Uncle, na yard. One name mom him na yard. Science teacher, na yard. Are you hearing me? Don't talk my own finish. Why are you laughing? Can you wave your hands to Jesus? May God direct your prayer. Oh, Annie? Are you hearing her? If the one about them touch I about maybe no, I don't bow with him. Wave your hands to Jesus. See, people that God shows mercy upon. That more joy is aware of it. I don't even know I'll be able to do anything here. I just finished program. Around after 7. Around the 7. I have to cancel all the canceling I have. But I only thank God I came here. But I want to talk to you. Accept this from me. Everything from the Lord. This ministry, I'm seeing God using this ministry to give hope to so many pastors who will assignment here about also. Mark my word, expansion is coming here. Expansion is coming here. That young man now calling brother, am I permitted to talk to you? I think I have to go somewhere. And they are just stubborn. They need to wash him, madam. Amen. Okay. Now this is it. You will go far with this music. Man, God is more yogi. We need Kenya prayer life. You know your prayer life? You can go on the prayer life. When you learn to carry your vessel in holiness, it's a different ball game.